practice. We're going to solve the following expression when z equals 2 and c equals 3. All right, so again, like the last slide, I am going to blank this out so I have some more room to work with. And let's get started. So I'm going to replace all of these when z equals 2 and c equals 3. So I have 16z, meaning 16 times z, or 16 times 2, plus c is 3, so 3 cubed, or 3 to the third power, minus, in parentheses, c, which is 3, minus 2. This might look hard, but it's actually not bad. I'm going to put my order of operations over here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. Poor Sally. All right, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. In the parentheses, 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. So I'm going to write that 1, and I'm going to bring everything else down. For the multiplication, you can put an x for times. Any more parentheses? Nope. How about exponents? Yes. The exponents, 3 to the third power means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 3 is going to be 27. So we get 27. Bring everything else down we didn't use yet. Any more exponents? Nope. Multiplication and or division? Yes. We're going to go from left to right. Beep, 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 beep. 16 times 2. Hopefully you get 32. I'm going to bring everything else down I didn't use yet. Now, can I just do 27 minus 1 because, oh, super easy? No, we have to do the order of operations. No more multiplication or division, but we do have addition and subtraction. We're going to go from left to right. 32 plus 27. Let's see, 32 and 27. 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5. So I get 59. Then I'm going to bring down that minus 1. 59 minus 1 is going to equal 58. So there's our answer there, 58. All right, and we're done. Woohoo! Let's take a look at the next part. So we're going to identify the correct solution or solutions that will make this inequality true. So, A, if that t equals 2, that would mean 2 plus 2. I'm just going to substitute this in for that t. 2 plus 2, that equals 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 16? Yeah, it's less than that. So A can be an answer. How about if it was 13? We'd have 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2 is 14. 15. Is 15 less than or equal to 16? Yes, it is. So B can also be an answer. How about 11? 11 plus 2, 11, 12, 13. Is 13 less than or equal to 16? Yes, it is less than that, so the C is also an answer. How about 15? 15 plus 2, 15, 16, 17. Is 17 less than or equal to 16? No, that's bigger than 16. 17 is bigger. How about 65? Orange. 65 plus 2, 65, 66, 67. Is 67 less than or equal to 16? Nope. So 3 answers here, A, B, and C. That's it for our practice. Great job.